Nonlinear regression. Nonlinear regression (NLR) is a statistical method used to model the complex relationships between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables where the relationship cannot be described by a straight line. This method is essential in fields where the effect of variables is not proportional or straightforward, allowing for a more accurate representation of data. Fundamentals of nonlinear regression. Nonlinear regression fits a model using a nonlinear equation typically of the form, where y is the dependent variable, x represents the independent variables. F is a nonlinear function that describes the relationship between x and y. Beta denotes the parameters of the model that need to be estimated. Epsilon is the error term, which accounts for deviations in the data from the model. The choice of function f depends heavily on the underlying data and theoretical considerations, with common forms including exponential, logarithmic, and polynomial functions. Key assumptions. Nonlinear regression does not require linear relationships, constant variance of residuals, or zero correlation among residuals, which are essential in linear models. However, it does assume one independence. Observations must be independent of each other. To correct form, the form of the nonlinear function f must be correctly specified. 3. Normal distribution of errors. Errors should be normally distributed for inference purposes. Applications of nonlinear regression. NLR is widely used across various scientific disciplines, one biological and medical sciences, for growth curves, dose-response models, and enzyme kinetics. 2. Engineering, in system modeling where responses to inputs are nonlinear. 3. Economics, modeling nonlinear economic behaviors such as acceleration and deceleration in growth rates. Estimation techniques. Estimating the parameters of a nonlinear model often involves iterative approximation methods such as 1 least squares, minimizing the sum of the squared differences between observed and predicted values. 2. Gradient descent, iteratively adjusting parameters to minimize the loss function. 3. Newton-Raphson, using derivatives to find parameter estimates that better fit the data. Challenges and solutions. Nonlinear regression can be computationally intensive and sensitive to the choice of initial parameter estimates. Common challenges include 1. Convergence issues, difficulty in finding the global minimum of the error function. 2. Overfitting. Complex models might fit the training data too closely and perform poorly on unseen data. 3. Model selection. Determining the correct form of the nonlinear function can be challenging without substantial domain knowledge. Conclusion. Nonlinear regression is a powerful analytical tool for modeling complex relationships where linear models fall short. Its ability to fit curved relationships makes it invaluable in many fields, though it requires careful consideration in terms of model selection and parameter estimation. By appropriately applying nonlinear regression, researchers and analysts can uncover insights that linear models might miss, leading to more effective and informed decision-making.